So imagine this. You're standing on the edge of a mountain, wind slicing through the air, clouds touching your face. You hit record, and suddenly the camera in your hand captures not just the moment, but the feeling. Every movement, every color, every vibration in the air. Perfectly stabilized. Now imagine that camera isn't just any action cam. It's DJI's next beast. The rumored Osmo Action 6 DJI has been silent, as they always are before a storm. But the leaks? Oh, the leaks are getting louder. And if even half of them are true, we're about to see something that could shake up the entire action camera market. Maybe even dethrone GoPro once and for all. Over the last few months, blurry photos, secret listings, and insider whispers have started surfacing. They all point to one thing. DJI is gearing up to drop its most advanced action camera ever. Something sharper, smarter, and built to push limits. Let's start with the most shocking leak, the sensor. Reports claim the Osmo Action 6 could feature a massive 1.1-inch CMOS sensor. That's bigger than anything we've ever seen in a compact action camera before. A larger sensor means better light capture, richer colors, and less noise, even in near darkness. Think about shooting night rides, cave dives, or campfires, and still getting footage so clear it looks unreal. But it doesn't stop there. Rumors say DJI is introducing a variable aperture lens between f2.0 and f4.0. For most people, that sounds like tech jargon. But for creators, it's a dream come true. You'll finally be able to control how much light enters your shot. You want cinematic background blur? Go wider. Shooting in blazing sunlight? Close it down. That's the kind of control GoPro users have been begging for. Now here's where it gets wild. Some leaks suggest 8K video recording. Yeah, 8K. If that's true, DJI isn't just matching GoPro. It's blowing past it. Imagine being able to crop, zoom, and reframe your footage in post without losing a single pixel of detail. Combine that with 4K at 120 frames per second and you're talking about buttery smooth slow motion. Shots that look like they came from a Hollywood rig. But DJI knows power means nothing without stability. Their secret weapon has always been stabilization. And rumor has it, Osmo Action 6 is bringing an AI-powered stabilization system, next-generation rock-steady tech that not only levels the horizon, but predicts movement before it even happens. That means zero shakes, zero rolls, and zero nausea-inducing wobble. And here's a small detail that could make a big difference. Smartwatch integration. Leakers claim DJI is testing compatibility with Garmin and Apple Watch devices. Imagine checking your live feed or camera stats on your wrist, or hitting record without touching the camera. That's next-level convenience for vloggers, bikers, and adventurers who want hands-free control. The design itself is rumored to be more compact but more rugged. Better waterproofing, enhanced lens protection, and a new heat management system that could finally solve overheating, one of the biggest issues plaguing other cameras in long 4K or 8K sessions. Now, about battery life. Some insiders claim the new battery tech might push up to 180 minutes of continuous 4K recording. That's unheard of in this category. DJI seems to be blending drone-grade battery intelligence into their action cam lineup, optimizing power use in real time. But perhaps the most intriguing part of this story is the price leak. According to early listings, the Osmo Action 6 might launch around $329. If that's true, DJI isn't just competing, they're declaring war on GoPro's pricing strategy. Because the Hero 13 with fewer new features is rumored to launch above $450. So you tell me, which one would you choose? Now, of course, not everything is confirmed. DJI is famous for their secrecy. Sometimes leaks turn out to be prototypes, early test units, or straight-up decoys. But the pattern is clear. Every generation, DJI gets more aggressive. And with the Action 6, it feels like they're ready to redefine what an action camera can be. Let's talk about timing. Leakers point to a possible late October or early November 2025 launch. That window makes sense. It's perfectly timed for the holiday tech season and for creators gearing up for winter sports. DJI loves surprising people, often dropping announcements with less than a week's notice. So if you suddenly see a cryptic teaser on their social channels, don't blink. Because by the time you realize what's happening, pre-orders might already be open. So, what does this mean for creators? For travelers? For filmmakers who live life on the edge? It means versatility. You could carry one tiny device and film anything, from 8K cinematic landscapes to slow-motion surf shots, without worrying about mounts, heat, or battery dying mid-adventure. And if the rumors about AI scene detection are true, This camera might even automatically adjust color profiles, exposure, and frame rates depending on what you're filming, meaning you can focus on living the moment while the camera does the thinking. But here's the real question. Can DJI finally create the perfect action camera? One that captures the heart of adventure and the soul of storytelling? Every year, GoPro tries. Every year, DJI gets closer. And this time, it feels different, because the leaks and the ones coming from internal suppliers, early distributors, and promo footage all hint at something bigger. Something more than just an upgrade. The way insiders describe it, the Osmo Action 6 might not just record reality, it might reshape it. Now imagine this, DJI announcing the Action 6 with a cinematic trailer, mountains, underwater shots, drones flying in sync with the camera. And then that single line flashes across the screen. See the world differently. If they pull that off, every creator from Los Angeles to Tokyo will be lining up to test it. But maybe the smartest move from DJI isn't in the camera itself, it's in the ecosystem. The Action 6 might connect seamlessly with DJI's drones, gimbals, and mic systems, creating a complete ecosystem that no competitor can match. One app, one control center, one creative universe, and that's why the Action 6 leaks matter so much. Because this isn't just about specs. It's about control, about freedom, about creating something real in a world that's constantly filtered. So, whether you're a filmmaker, a traveler, or just someone who wants to capture life without limits, the Osmo Action 6 might be the next big thing you didn't know you needed. The world's watching DJI right now. GoPro's watching. Sony's watching. And every content creator out there is waiting for that one camera that finally gets everything right. Maybe, just maybe, that camera is closer than we think. So stay tuned, because when DJI finally breaks the silence, it won't just be another launch. It'll be a statement, and when that happens, you'll want to hit record.